Hi, this is the VIVO Y21S and I'll show you how to activate Hey Google Google Assistant option on this device. So open first Google application and tap on the right upper corner. Then go to the settings, tap to Google Assistant section and tap to Google and Voice Match. Hey Google and Voice Match section. Tap on the switcher near the OK Google option. Click to more, I agree, read the text here. Once again tap to I agree to continue. Not now on tap to start saving now audio. And as you can see, the Hi Google option successfully activated, but if you want an assistant to recognize your voice, you could change or add or delete your voice model. So to add the voice model, click retain voice model and repeat after the assistant. So say, okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. Then just tap to finish on the right corner, tap to not now, and that's it. Now Hey Google option successfully activated. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.